This is a module summary for Module 2, and this has two portions in it. The first one is called Inventing the Nation, and it takes a look at the processes and forces that created the American colonies, their social, political, and economic order. It takes a look at mercantilism. It takes a look at the basic governments and the social and political forces in the colonies. It certainly is going to take a look at the transition from colonialism to the development of America. Highlighted in this are the documents that created America, including the Declaration of Independence, which borrowed heavily from John Locke, the Articles of Confederation, which was a response to the too powerful central government, which created a confederation in our first United States. And finally, the Constitution with its Bill of Rights, both to define the powers of the national government, to maintain political and economic and social order, and the Bill of Rights, which were to protect the rights of the citizens. The second section is on federalism, and federalism is really about an evolving relationship between the national government and the states. What we'll be looking at here is several eras in which America transforms from a rural agrarian nation to an industrial urban nation, and then finally a suburban and post-industrial nation. In each one of these changes, you're going to see how federalism responds to it. It responds to the social and economic issues in each one. And so dual federalism, cooperative federalism, and its end point of regulated federalism, and then finally new federalism will each have its own distinct approaches and characteristics that you will examine. The U.S. Supreme Court will also have a part in all of this by defining the relationship and what the federal and state governments may or may not do. So I think you'll find this interesting. Do keep in mind that federalism is an evolutionary process. Keep to the reading. You'll find that also at the end of the module summary. Read that before you take into the reading of Lowy and Cannon. Thanks.